Welcome to the iconic Black Penny, located in Millwood, Virginia in the Shenandoah Valley. This was formerly an antique and lamp shop for 42 years. It's been reimagined, repurposed, and totally renovated by DC design firm Design Vice. I can't wait to show you what's behind these doors. Let's check it out. This home's main structure dates back nearly 200 years, showcasing original details like a 14-foot vaulted beam ceiling, board and batten walls, pegged timber floors, Dutch doors, stone stairs, and more. The designer beautifully blended historic charm with modern elements, creating a timeless and seamless design. The dining room is truly exceptional, featuring more of the home's original details. And take a look at this hidden service kitchen. It's one of those surprises you didn't know you needed. The home is large, offering an abundance of distinct gathering areas throughout. The gorgeous design flows seamlessly into the first of two primary bedrooms with an ensuite bath. Both primary bathrooms feature luxurious floating tubs, spacious showers, terrazzo flooring, shiplap walls, linear drains, and marble countertops. The second primary bedroom, also with an ensuite bath, does not disappoint. The outdoor garden and deck area offer a serene escape, yet are perfectly designed to host larger gatherings. Set on over an acre with nearly 3,000 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 3 full baths, this home is perfect as a primary residence or vacation getaway in a prime location. Just minutes from Winchester, Middleburg, and a little over an hour from DC, it offers both serenity and convenience. Don't miss your chance to experience this truly one-of-a-kind home. Thank you for exploring the Black Penny with me.